How to use Square without card reader. Download and install the Square point of sale app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign into your Square account or create one if you haven't yet. Enable tap to pay inside the app settings if you're using an iPhone or a compatible Android device. To accept payments, enter the sale amount or select items from your product list in the app. Ask your customers to tap their contactless card or digital wallet to the top of your phone where the NFC sensor is located. Wait for the confirmation beep and checkmark animation on your device indicating the payment was successful. For customers without contactless payment, manually enter their card details into Square Virtual Terminal within the app to process a payment by phone or online. After payment, send a digital receipt via email or text directly through the app. Note this method uses your phone's NFC to accept contactless payments, so no physical card reader is needed. Manual card entry is available but has higher fees and security risks. Subscribe.